Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to create sketch hand-drawn animation effects in PowerPoint. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and insert the image you want to work with. Once you've got your image on the slide, duplicate the slide. Now, go to the Draw tab, select the pen tool, and choose any color you like. For this example, I'll pick red. On the first slide, I'll use the red pen to draw a circle around the pillow to highlight it. Then, I'll create a simple arrow connecting the circle to another part of the image. Next, I'll switch the pen color to white and add some details by drawing directly on the pillow. Now, duplicate the slide again, but this time, I'll use the selection tool to zoom out and delete the sketches I just made. After that, I'll move the image slightly to the right and use the pen tool again to draw on the books. I'll change the pen color back to white and add some text or markings on the books. Once that's done, I'll duplicate the slide, delete the sketches, and move the image to the left. Then, I'll repeat the process. This time, I'll draw on the plant using the red pen. After duplicating the slide again, I'll delete the sketches and move the image back to the center. I'll keep going like this, marking and highlighting different parts of the image with the pen tool, deleting the sketches, and adjusting the image position to create a dynamic sequence. When all the slides are ready, I'll go back to the first slide and make sure the image is perfectly centered. Next, I'll add a zoom transition to the slide. To customize it, I'll click on Effect Options and choose the In-Out Transition style. For the animations, I'll start with the second slide. I'll select all the drawn shapes, go to the Animations tab, and apply the Replay Animation effect. Then, I'll set the animation to start after the previous one and adjust the duration. For the final animation, I set the duration to 1 minute, while the first two animations are shorter, just 0.75 seconds each. Then, I repeated the same process for all the slides. I selected all the drawn shapes, applied the Replay Animation effect, and made sure each animation started automatically after the previous one. It's simple. The first two animations are quick, at 0.75 seconds, and the rest flows smoothly with a 1 minute duration. Once all the animations were in place, I moved to the last 4 slides. For these, I applied the morph transition to create a seamless and polished effect. And that's it. The result is an amazing hand-drawn animation effect that brings your PowerPoint slides to life. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. See you in the next video.